Here are 10 trading rules for beginners. The first one is set clear goals and objectives for your trading. Second one is develop and stick to a solid, robust trading plan. The third one is keep emotions out of your trading decisions. Number 4, only risk what you can afford to lose. Number 5, diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. So that means take small risks on a number of trades rather than risking 10% on one trade. Number 6, keep detailed records of your trades and analyze them regularly to identify patterns and improve your performance. Number 7, continuously educate yourself about the markets and stay up to date on current events. Believe me, experience accounts for so much when it comes to trading. Number 8, use stop loss orders to limit potential losses. This is absolutely vital to stop you blowing a huge hole in your trading account. Number 9, be patient and don't make spontaneous, impulsive trades. Number 10, have a long-term perspective and don't get caught up in the short-term market fluctuations.